Welcome back to my channel. If today happens to be your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe and allow all notifications so that you will not miss my next video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make income daily by using the MTN Alpha bundle. I know most of us have heard about MTN Alpha bundle, whereby you can just use 6 CDs to make call for the whole month, and you can also call those who are on this offer for free and the rest. But the registration process doesn't allow anyone to register it by yourself unless an agent register you. Okay, so the last video that I did, I made mention that I would do a video on how you can become an agent, but the truth is that the company, that is the Alpha company, doesn't allow us to just do a free video on how to be an agent, because even if I do a video on that, if you do it, it will not work out unless you connect to the office for them to make you an agent. It's just like the MTN mobile money. Yeah, you have to go to your office for them to register your SIM for you to become an agent. And this is how you can make income. Okay, this is how you can make income on the MTN Alpha. You register people, you register to become an agent, then you register people and you take commission. Okay, last year I registered to become an agent, and if I'm to tell you the amount that I've made since last year December till now, you'll be surprised. I've really made enough money on MTN Alpha bundle by just registering people and taking commission from them. So you just imagine you registering, let's say 50 people a day, and you take, I'm just assuming, yeah, it's just an assumption, then I take, let's say 2 CDs from each person, 50 people, it means I'm getting 100 CDs. You get it? But me, for instance, I register more than 100 people a day because of the way I advertise my product or my services. I advertise it on all my social media channels or handles. Yeah, I advertise on Facebook, I advertise on YouTube, I advertise on WhatsApp, everywhere. So I get a lot of clients calling, I want to register MTN Alpha, then they'll pay commission to me before I register them. So guys, if you want to also make such kind of income by getting 100 CDs, 200 CDs a day, it is possible, because I've tested it and I've enjoyed it. Yeah. So please, if you want to become an agent, just pick this number and call. Okay, just pick this number and call. All right, the number is 0241 another 41 1215, 0241 another 41 1215. Call and just be registered as an agent. But take note, it's not for free. You pay something. It's not for free. Okay, so you pay something. But trust me, I registered someone last week. Okay, and the amount of money that the guy has made just within a week is more than twice of the amount he used to register, because he was also serious about the business. So he did more advertisement on it, and he has made enough. So every blessed day when he chats me, he said, boss, thank you, boss. And I say, I'm not boss, so I'm not boss, please. I'm not boss. We are just helping each other. So guys, we are just to help each other to hustle, to get something small. So if you are good on how to use the smartphones to maneuver, you can just use this. I mean, it's legitimate. You can use it to make daily income, more than 200 CDs a day. Guys, 200 CDs a day. I've made some before. Okay, I've made some before. And if you get someone also who wants to become an agent, you can also connect a person to me, and I'll register the person, and you also get commission out of that. Okay, you also get commission out of that. So let's team up and let's make small amount of money out of this. Okay, let's stay on and make a small amount of money out of this. So guys, this is the little that I can share with you today on how you can make income. Just call to register, become an agent, advertise it on all your social media handles, and the people who call to register to become a member on AFA, you charge them commission. The profit margins depend on you. How you want to make your profit depends on you, and you can start making income daily. If you have any challenge, just give me a call on this same number and I will help you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to allow all notifications to receive my next video. My next video is going to be wow. I'll just drop another video on how you can make income every day. Okay, how you can make income every day. I'll give about 5 tips on how you can make income every day on this same channel. So please don't miss these videos. Subscribe and allow notifications to receive my next video. Thank you for watching.